Welcome to Learning Unit 10-3. We only have one problem in this learning unit, so let's get right at it. It says Polly Flynn borrowed $5,000 for 60 days at 8%. On day 10, Polly made a $600 partial payment. On day 40, Polly made a $1,900 partial payment. What is Polly's ending balance due under the U.S. rule? We're going to assume a 360-day year. So the first thing we have to do is calculate what interest is going to be for the problem for the first 10 days. Because if you'll notice, it says on day 10, we made a partial payment. So we take 5,000 times 0.08 times 10 divided by 360, leaves us with $11.11 that we owe in interest. Because we always pay interest first, we take our $600 partial payment, subtract out what we owe in interest. That gives us $588.89 that can go to reducing our principal. We take our $5,000, we subtract out the $588.89, and we then have a new principal of $4,411.11. We have to go ahead and do the simple interest formula again for the next time period. Because we've calculated interest on the first 10 days, and we're making another partial payment on day 40, we take day 40 minus day 10 equals 30 days. So we have our new principal of $4,411.11. We multiply that by 0.08 and then times 30 divided by 360. This gives us $29.41. That's the amount of interest we have to pay out of the partial payment that we made. So we made a partial payment of $1,900. We subtract out $29.41. That leaves us with $1,870.59 to reduce our principal. Our principal was reduced to $4,411.11. We subtract out the $1,870.59. We now have a principal of $2,540.52. That's our new principal for us to calculate our simple interest, what's owed throughout the rest of the time period. Because we have a 60-day note, we've already paid on 40 days. We have 60 minus 40 equals 20 days left to pay interest on. So we take our new principal, $2,540.52, multiplied by our 0.08 interest rate times our 20 divided by 360 equals $11.29 in interest. We take that $11.29 in interest, add it to our principal of $2,540.52, and we have a final payment due of $2,551.81.